Dentistry Notes. We provide lecture note to understand and learn dentistry better and easy way. This is a tutorial on muscles of mastication. We all know that this muscle of mastication are important muscle which is helpful for mastication. It is derived from first brachial arch. All muscles are supplied by V3, that means the mandibular branch of trigeminal nerve. There are four types of muscles of mastication, that is temporalis, masseter, medial pterygoid and lateral pterygoid. First of all, I begin with temporalis muscle. We all know that it is a big muscle. This origin is from temporal fossa of temporal bone, and this muscle is inserted into the cornoid process of mandible. The fibers of these muscles run upwards, so its main function is to elevate or retract the mandible. The function also it helpful for closing mouth and mastication. How we check this muscle is working or not? Then we put your finger on temples region and ask the patient to chew. Then we can feel the muscle is working or not. Then next muscle is masseter. It has two parts, superficial and deep part. This superficial part which is inserted more anteriorly on the zygomatic arch, and the deep part which is inserted more posteriorly on the zygomatic arch because it originates from the zygomatic arch. It is inserted into the lateral aspect of lateral surface of ramus of mandible. The main function of the masseter muscle is to elevate the mandible. It's not retract the mandible. Only elevation is the function. Then also helpful for closing the mouth and mastication. Next muscle is medial pterygoid. This muscle originates from medial surface of lateral pterygoid plate. It inserted into the inner portion of angle of mandible. Its main function is closing mouth and mastication. These three muscles are helpful for closing mouth. The next muscle is lateral pterygoid, which is helpful for opening mouth. The lateral pterygoid, it has two parts, superior lateral pterygoid and inferior lateral pterygoid. This muscle is originated from the lateral surface of lateral pterygoid plate. The lateral pterygoid muscle is originated from the lateral surface of lateral pterygoid plate, and the medial pterygoid muscle is originated from the medial surface of lateral pterygoid plate. Then this muscle is inserted into the condylar process of mandible. Its main function to protrusive movement of the mandible and opening mouth, side to side movement and mastication. I hope this is very clear to all. If you have any doubt, you can write it down on the comment box.